All right, guys, welcome back. Well, today I want to get into the car so we can start cleaning out the interior, just so we can get kind of a baseline of what's going to be recyclable and what's going to be trash. You guys can see here, I'll pull out a couple things here. Got radiator. There's a couple of fans, fan shrouds, windshields that I kind of want to get everything out of it and just kind of see what's in here. I know there's a lot of old and AC parts for the Corolla itself. Let's get these things out and we'll check it out and see. All right, guys, finally was able to get the majority of all the big things out as far as inside the interior. I haven't gotten into the trunk yet. That's going to be coming up now, but I wanted you guys to take a little closer look as far as the conditions that the interior's in. I was actually pretty impressed that yes, the seats are dirty. They might be a little dead looking, but they're not in bad shape. I mean, take a look for yourself. They're pretty held up. They're not too bad. Yeah, they got a little scrubs. Yeah, the paint is, I mean, actually the coloring is completely off, but not in terrible. I mean, it's got majority of all the interior, which is fine. I think I do have a piece outside there for that. As you can see, a lot of the cleaning needs to get done as far as vacuuming. I just wanted to get as far as like the big stuff that was in here for me to kind of see what was in here. Anyways, let's get to this trunk and see what's in there. All right, after a little bit, we had to work down. Trunk gave me a hard time getting it open, but finally got it open. Got it held up with my wonderful jack handle here, as you guys can see. Looks like to be a 3TC head with some Canon ITBs from what I can see. I know I do see a couple spare parts back in there. Definitely a good thing. I already got relocated back here to the trunk. Definitely a good thing, but let's see what else. So this was left after we took everything out. Now it's the vacuuming. I was planning on doing the vacuuming on this video, but I have to cut it short, unfortunately. On the next one, I will hit it with the vacuum. Take the seats out so we can get underneath underneath the seats as well. With the vacuum, clean up. If it has to get scrubbed, we'll get some scrub, we'll get some elbow grease in there. Before you go, let me show you the pile of everything that was inside the car. I mean, there's spare grills, spare rear glass, headlight, got the headliner, probably all junk. Anyways, if you guys like the project, where it's gone so far, please subscribe. If you have any suggestions, down in the comments below, let me know. If there's anything out there that you can suggest for me or for the project, I'm all ears. Again, take care, guys, and we'll see you guys very soon. That's it.